All right, folks, we're doing examples Rajul number 14. We have a fraction here. So the very first thing that I'm going to want to do is get common denominators for that fraction. So that's going to be my strategy here. So I've got sine of x over cosine of x. Let me give myself some room here. Plus cosine of x over 1 plus sine of x. And we're going to multiply this by this denominator. So we've got 1 plus sine x, and then 1 plus sine x on the bottom, on the top as well. And then we're going to multiply this guy by this piece right here. So this is going to be cosine of x, and then cosine of x on the top. So we've now got a common denominator. That's going to be cosine of x, 1 plus sine of x. Now let's take a look at what's going to happen on the top. So this becomes sine of x plus sine squared of x plus, it looks like this right here becomes cosine squared of x. And if you followed the guidelines and you really love Pythagorean identities, you're going to see right now that sine squared plus cosine squared equals 1. And again, this identity just shows up all the time, so make sure you know your Pythagorean identities. So this becomes sine of x plus 1 over cosine of x, 1 plus sine x. I'm going to rewrite 1 plus sine x as sine of x plus 1, just so that I can be very clear on what I'm eliminating here. That's going to leave us with 1 over cosine x, which becomes secant of x. So this expression that we started out with simplifies to secant of x. Let's go ahead and check that work on Desmos. So here's our initial expression, and here's secant of x, and as you can see, they overlap on Desmos, so we know we got our problem right.